In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall After Effects. If you've decided you don't need After Effects anymore, or you just want to free up some space on your computer, the cleanest and safest way to remove it is through the Creative Cloud desktop app. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, After Effects will be completely uninstalled from your system. First, open your Creative Cloud desktop application. This is the app you use to install After Effects in the first place. If you can't see it right away, check your taskbar, your system tray, or your applications or programs folder, depending on your operating system. Once Creative Cloud is open, look over to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a vertical toolbar there. Find and click on the icon labeled Apps. This section lists all of your Adobe applications, both installed and available to install. Inside the Apps section, scroll through your installed apps until you find the tile for After Effects. The tiles usually show the app icon, the app name, and sometimes the version number. Take your time to make sure you've selected After Effects and not a different Adobe app. On the After Effects tile, look for the More Options icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a small menu symbol. Click on that icon and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Uninstall. As soon as you do this, a pop-up window will appear asking whether you want to keep or remove your preferences. Preferences include your custom settings, workspaces, and some personalized configurations you might have set up inside After Effects. If you think you might reinstall After Effects later, or you want to keep your settings just in case, choose to keep your preferences. If you're sure you want a completely clean removal and you don't need any of your old settings, choose to remove them. Make your choice in the pop-up, then confirm. Once you've done that, the pop-up will close and you'll see a status message under the After Effects name that says something like uninstalling along with a percentage. At this point, you don't need to do anything else. Just wait while Creative Cloud completes the process. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your system. When the percentage reaches 100 and After Effects disappears from the list of installed apps, you're done. That's it. After Effects has been successfully uninstalled from your computer.